Today, we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X6054S, which features our stainless steel receiver on a Honda HRV. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Starting off, remove the Phillips head screws at the bottom corner of the bumper and wheel wells on each side of the vehicle. Use a pry tool to remove the round clips attaching the underbody panel. Remove the exhaust from the last two rubber hangers. Unclip the fender trim, then remove the screw and two clips located behind it. Repeat on the other side. Open the trunk and remove the torque screws on each side. Use a pry tool to remove the taillight covers. Unscrew the two Phillips and one Torx screws. Remove the taillights by carefully pulling them from the vehicle. Unplug the wiring harness. Remove the bumper starting from the sides and working towards the center. Set the bumper aside for now. Unbolt the factory cross member from the vehicle. This piece will not be reinstalled. Insert the provided bolt fisher into the hole on the bottom of the frame and guide it out of the hole at the end of the rail. Thread a 1/2-inch bolt, star washer, and plate washer onto the fissure. Pull the assembly through the frame and out the hole. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Flatten the two tabs shown to allow clearance for the hitch. Lift your new EcoHitch into position and secure each hole with an M8 lock washer, flat washer, and bolt. Torque down all the hardware. Thread a nut onto the back side of each of the lower bolts. Align the two holes on the driver's side bracket with those on the driver's side plate. Fasten with 3/8" flat washers, lock washers, and nuts. Repeat on the other side. Secure the previously fished bolts with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque the hardware. Follow the guidelines in the instructions to mark and trim your bumper. Reinstall the exhaust, bumper, and tail lights in the reverse order of removal. Finally, slide your receiver insert into the hitch and secure with the 5/8" bolt, flat washer, and lock washer. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.